Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to count words and characters in WPS Office. So for example, we have here this one document. If you would like to know how many words have been used in this document, you need to move your cursor to the left down corner. And here you can see that the number of words is 294. But if you would like to get more information about it, you need to click here, and then word count window will be successfully displayed here. And then you can find here more information about page number, words number, characters with spaces. So for example, we have here two pages, 294 words, 1501 characters with no spaces, 1788 characters with spaces, 8 paragraphs, non-Asian words 294, and Asian characters 0. So in this way you can easily count words, characters, paragraphs and pages in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.